it's like discount sa ilang mga customers. So, mag-offer sila discount sa ating mga customers. But, doon mag-add flavors pa ang atong dishes. Okay nga mabuhat na yung natin siya asa. Please, kumontak sa itong mga suppliers sa.
Ma'am, mao ni ang delivery, ma'am, sa para sa supply niyo karon. Dili mi ka delivery ma'am, kay landslide, ma'am.
Hala, nga, gamitin man kayo nakaroon.
Sorry jud kaayo, ma'am, sa disturbance.
Okay ra ka na, wala naman sa tema himo. Makita na lang ni paagi dire.
Sige, ma'am, salamat kaayo. Amo sa ini kontakon kung saon ni namo pagpadala ni mga 1 week pa ni mabot. Salamat kay sa pagsabot, ma'am.
Hello?
Hello, who is this? YG?
Hello? Is this Pipito's wine business? I would like to put an order of 400 pieces of regular latte.
Yes, ma'am.
We will need the supplies 2 weeks from now.
Okay, ma'am, don't worry, we can guarantee that.
Okay?
I would like to inform you that the total amount of all of your order will... Is it okay for you? Thank you, ma'am.
Hello?
Hello? Yes? This is Pipito Wine Business?
This is Maria's restaurant and I ordered from you a month ago. I really love your product and of course the transaction is very slow. I would like to put an order again.
Mom, we will inform you that we cannot guarantee that we will deliver the supply that you needed. Since the government informed us that there will be a coming pandemic. Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry to tell you that.
Okay, I understand. I will just look for another suppliers this time. Government allows your business to operate again. Please contact me directly.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Miss Julia. It's nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you also.
So, I would like to make a proposal. Is it okay for you?
Yes, I accept any proposal.
So, our restaurant is developing a new dish. Then we need a lot of supplies of vegetables, and we would like you to be our supplier. Is that okay for you?
Yeah, it's okay, but we have rules. Yeah, we have rules. Then we can follow the rules. Is it okay for you?
Yes, you can. We can follow your rules.
Okay, so
So, deal?
deal.
So, as you can see, before the last 2 months, gamay kaayo atong sales. As in, ubos din kayo siya. But after, gi-apply ito na to atong discounts and new dishes, kay ni-up dito atong sales. So, for you guys, what are your other suggestions? Yes?
Ma'am, ako ika-suggest, ma'am, kay padaganon na to ang power. Yeah, padaganon niya atong pag-am niya ng atong pagkanang palit sa cogs, ma'am. Pwede naman ka naman.
Yes, that's a great idea. So, any other suggestions? So, if wala na, the meeting is dismissed.
Manage the Maria restaurant inventories, they use a software which is to record and check the numbers of the inventories that coming every day. And also it also check the purchases and sales.
Hello? Is this the Lapu-Lapu wine business?
Yes, ma'am.
Mag-check lang ako sa akong supplies na i-place ko order last week. About abot siya within this week.
I'm sorry to inform you our product right now kay dili pa siya ma-deliver since kay di pala kami kaagian ang among bill para connect sa inyong lugar.
Okay, so to hear that ako, but sige, pagitaan ko lang ako kasi pagitaan lang ako dahil supplier. So,
Sige ma'am.
sige, thank you. Oh, trayan na ko sa Mandawi. Wine Corporation?
Yes, ma'am, you're right.
Okay, so thank you. So I would like to place an order. Is it possible nga rush order siya niya? Kailangan lang din siya maabot within this week. Ang wine ba nga? 40 bucks.
Ma'am, we're very sorry. Okay, right now, our product is wala. Nahook doon dyan next stock, ma'am.
Thank you.
Hindi, ma'am.
Para sa new suppliers. Hello? Is this the International Wine Corporation?
Yes, this is the International Wine Corporation.
Hello, ma'am. I am from Maria's Restaurant, famous restaurant here in the Philippines. I would like to place an order. I would like to place an order of 40 boxes of possible that we will receive it this coming week na.
Yes, ma'am. It's our pleasure that you will order from us. Yes, we can guarantee you that we will supply our product. And also, ma'am, we would like to inform you that our product is already deported in your country. Problem for transportation since we already have our product in your country.
Okay, thank you very much. So, good morning everyone. So, nagpatawag kong meeting ron because from what I've heard sa inyong supervisor, nilahi jud ang inyong performance. Our business is not doing well and I'm very concerned with that. So, sa ato ang kitchen department, I have heard many complaints. Nganong dugay man kayo ma-serve ang mga pagkaon? So, sa service department. So, kamo dahil reason nganong nasayop ang mga order. So, unsa man kinsa matong service department ari?
About ma'am is kami service provider ay utang customer kay mga complicated kayo ang among pag-communicate sa ilaha. Maong nagkasayop-sayop na kay mag-usab-usab ilang order.
Very disappointed with you all, no? Because from what I've heard, kanang dili kamo kamao mo take sa responsibility. We cannot blame the customers. Customers are always right. Kinahanglan jud ay mo og proper training pa. So, ato ang business is mag-conduct og monthly training para sa ato ang mga employees so that we can resolve this problem, okay?
Arat na, das magyang Pipito Restaurant.
Paging after beat, emergency, emergency. 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 Paging after beat, emergency.
Kung yung Pipito Restaurant, train sila kay Nung, din try sila sa kanin.
Sige, buhaton sa danato. Challenge accepted. We from Maria Restaurant, mudas magmi.
Paging after beat, emergency, emergency. Paging after beat, emergency.
Good day, ma'am. I am your manager of your business. So I am Pipito and I am here to make a proposal, ma'am.
Also, you're going to make.
I would like to propose, ma'am, if nang mo-apply ta sa style sa Pipito Restaurant, which is they applied for recreational activities in the restaurant. So that's why they have a lot of customers, ma'am.
How can you say nga patong recreational activities di ang reason nga nung daghan silang customers?
Me and my assistant manager, ma'am, kay already check their status and we also add the pros and cons. Then we see that we have a big possibility na atong customer kay moduol jud nato since the Pipito Restaurant and our restaurant kay mo ga-apply na restaurant with recreational activities.
That's really a great idea, no? So, ato dyan nang i-apply sa ato ang restaurant, no? Thank you for your suggestion.
So, good day everyone. So, naataron sa meeting to discuss about sa atuang strategy sa atuang business. We will discuss about the SWOT sa atong business, which is the strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. So, sa inyo na bantayan, unsa may strength sa atuang business?
First strength na ma-apply is first, kami atong food na gina-serve. And second is dagan recreational activities na gikan.
How about atuang weaknesses?
Ma'am, layo sila tapos daghan competitors.
Layo and daghan of competitors. So, ang atuang opportunities,
Sa opportunities man, ginagawa ng competitors
How about sa ato ang threats?
Napoy, ika-recommend mo, what if ma'am kayo magpupuntag laing branch mo sa kanang dagang taon mo?
Like branch. Ato ang regular ang pag-maintain sa ato ang recreational activities no, as what she said, kuan daw kanang gasto. So ato ang buhaton no is dili ra gyud ta mag-goal about sa gasto ba na, because it is a great investment ato ang mga recreational activities no, kay as long as padayon ng work sa ato ang business maka-gain gyud tag profit, then makadto na sa ato ang investment sa ato ang mga recreational activities. And other than that, ato namang weaknesses is layo daw. So sakto jud to ang giingon ni Miss Pipito nga magbuhat tag laing branches sa ato ang restaurant. We can gain many customers by that because it will be more convenient sa mga customer nga layo gikan sa ato ang main branch. And then sa opportunities naman, yes, makakuha tag new ideas sa ato ang competitor sa ato ang business. And I have another suggestion, why not kanang mo apply kuha tag ideas from other countries so that we can get ahead sa atong competitors ari sa ato ang nation no. So ato ang buhaton kay nabantayan man ato from international countries, gagamit sila Jollibot, mga self chaos mga to, mga unsa pa ang gagamit nila sa other countries, mga advanced na jud kayo no. So makuha ra tag idea from that and i-apply nato sa ato ang business. So I guess makatabang yun na sa itong business. So unsa man para ninyo, okay ra?
Good ra kayo mo.
Okay, so mga natunoy, magkuha ta from other nations nga idea. So that will be all sa ato ang meeting today. So meeting is dismissed. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.